Hi, my name is Lisa Pezzella, and I teach 8th grade science along with 7th and 8th grade aerospace here at IMS. I wanted to just share a quick video with you about my classes in case you were not able to make it to our curriculum night. First, quick bit about me. This is now my 11th year teaching at Islander Middle School, and hard for me to believe, but my 20th year of teaching middle school science. Originally, I got my undergrad in biology education and started teaching in 2005, and then later went back to earn my master's degree in middle school science. Originally, I'm from the East Coast. I grew up in South and Central Florida and then later Alabama. Still have family out on the East Coast, but my husband and I were really excited when we had the opportunity to move to Seattle about 11, 12 years ago now. And we are very happy to be out here now on the West Coast. Here's a bit about the classes that I teach. So I mostly work with 8th graders teaching earth science. We start our year with a mini unit to reintroduce systems and energy, which is going to help carry the work that we do throughout the rest of our units for the year. So once we wrap up that, we move into weather and climate. In the second trimester, we have a big unit on plate tectonics and earthquakes, which comes along with a fun engineering project the kids always love, followed by volcanoes and rocks. And in the third trimester, we learn about the history of our planet through geologic time. After that, a unit on natural resources, and finish the year with Earth in space. As we are moving through those units, not only do we focus on the content in those areas, but we also put a lot of emphasis on what we call our SEPs, or science and engineering practices. So I have a list here of some of the most commonly used engineering practices that we are going to be working on during 8th grade. And we plan our assessments around both the content as well as having students show mastery with these skills for each unit. The other class that I teach, which I absolutely love, is Aerospace. Aerospace is a STEM elective that is a really fun opportunity and gives us a place to reinforce some of the science concepts and skills that are from 6th, 7th, and 8th grade science in a fun new way. It's a project-based class. We start every unit around some science concepts that have previously been taught in our other courses. And then it involves building a hands-on project, a model, in order to test out some different things about these types of flight. In order to help support the project piece, there is a $10 fee that posts to your student's account, typically about 2 to 3 weeks after the course begins, to help cover the cost with those supplies. With both of my classes, I organize all of our materials and resources that will be needed on Schoology. Typically, I will have a big unit folder, and then all assignments, resources, study materials, assessments, and so on will be found within that folder. Additionally, on Schoology, if you switch to the Update tab, I post a daily update with a brief summary of what we've done each day in class. So if a student is absent, this is a great starting point for them to look and see if they missed or what they missed and if anything needs to be made up. And last, in an attempt to try and streamline things and keep all assignments and give you a look at just one place if you're trying to keep up with what is going on in your student's class, I'm going to be grading in the Schoology gradebook. So just know that you can look there to find any missing assignments, any upcoming work, along with assessment scores. So thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to a really great year with your kids. And please, at any time, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.